Hi there, Ashley Reeve here. Welcome to today's video. It's all about the economic calendar update. As mentioned last week, I'll be with you weekly to give you these updates. Just before we get started, please note that I'm a registered representative working for Quick Trade, currently under supervision that authorizes me to offer a couple of options as always, but risk and reward and the execution of your trade still remains your responsibility. Also, the Quick Trade is a licensed financial service provider as well as a licensed over-the-counter derivatives provider. So as mentioned, I am back to give you an update this week. What's very important to look out for is that the US has a holiday today, the Juneteenth public holiday. And so the stock market in the US will be closed, but indices, commodities, and currencies will still be running as per norm. Also for you just to look out for, as I share my screen with you, a couple of notes. Last week was a very interesting week with a lot of interest rate hikes there. We saw from the UK, there was talks in the US that they'll be putting 75 basis points on top of the interest rate. And also the Swiss had a hike interest rate, which led to a bit of strength there from the Swiss franc. And then just a couple of notes here. This past week felt like a big moment for central banks. What that means is volatility in the market is probably going nowhere. Recessions are increasingly becoming a strong possibility. Obviously, the more interest rates then goes up, that means that we could have some inflation then coming down to where it should be. And then everything is going to be scrutinized. Please remember that going forward. And that could cause surges in volatility at any moment. So please watch out as you're trading those indices, you're trading your commodities such as your gold, your NASDAQ, your S&P 500. So just be careful when you are putting your setups together to expect a volatility. And then, but for the majority, large rate hikes are the way forward if you're looking at an unstable economy. And we're going to have to wait and see how that then unravels and plans out. And then the week ahead, just a couple of highlights for you. On Wednesday, we have the CPI seen to edge up to 9.1% from 9.0%. We'll also have US Fed Chair Jerome Powell testifying about the way forward, talking about the economy, the lookout for the interest rates, what's to come, etc. And then Thursday, we have Germany with the PMI expected to slip just a little bit from 54.8 to 54.0. And then we have some UK releases as well, PMI, as well as your US initial jobless claims, and as per norm, the crude oil inventories. Please make sure that you are secure in your entries. Make sure that you have your stop losses in place. Check the news. Make sure you attend our trading room so that you can have a little bit more insight into your setups. And then I will see you later on in the week, Thursday, to give an update of what has happened. This is Ashley Reeve, checking out.